Machine Gun Kelly. You look hella stupid. How tall are you? 6'4"? Hold up. 6'4"? Bro, you silly tall. You're stupid tall. When you look at the other people, what do you think you should do? You just overlook them? Stupid tall Machine Gun Kelly. Call him MGK. The short for Machine Gun Kelly. Trying to have a beef with Eminem. Beef with Eminem. Can you handle the heat? Can you handle the smoke? You know you can't. MGK. OMG. The audacity that you have shown by starting a beef with Eminem. You think Eminem cares? He's on the top. Might be shorter than you, but he's still on the top. You'll never get there. MGK. MGK. Shut up. Go back to your cave. Hey. MGK. MGK. Shut your ass. Go back inside your cave. She.